How to deactivate Facebook. Before the steps, don't forget to like this video. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the three lines in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings. Tap Account Center. Inside Account Center, tap Personal Details. Tap Account Ownership and Control. Select Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the Facebook account you want to deactivate. Tap Deactivate Profile, then tap Continue. Facebook may ask you for your password. Enter it if needed. Choose a reason and tap Continue to skip. On the final screen, tap Deactivate Account to confirm. Your Facebook account is now deactivated. You can reactivate it anytime by logging back in.